Good morning po. Ito po tayo ngayon. Breakfast mga kadoknes. Idea lang po. Fried chili garlic rice with egg, vinegar, fried egg, and tuyo. Of course, hindi mawawala ang ating coffee. Brewed coffee po. Brewed coffee in a tea bag. Ayan. So, ibubrew natin. Habang tikman natin. Ayos. Maanghang. Fried garlic with chili. Ano yun? Fried chili garlic po. By Nabels. Baka naman, malapit na. Okay po. Enjoy your breakfast. Enjoy your breakfast, guys. Have a wonderful day po.